Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about new income tax e-filing portal. By now, hope everybody might be knowing that the income tax portal has been upgraded and changed. And many are unaware of this income tax e-filing portal. So I'm just making this video so that it will help each and everyone to understand the new income tax e-filing portal. So let's get into the video. Old and new income tax portal. The Income Tax Department has launched its new e-filing portal on 7th of June 2021. Old Income Tax portal has a big URL, that is www.incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in, whereas the new Income Tax portal has small URL, that is www.incometax.gov.in. Main options in new Income Tax portal. Now let us see what are the main options in the new income tax portal theoretically. Then let's have a tour to the new income tax e-filing portal, where I'll be showing you practically what are the options and what are the benefits of this new income tax e-filing portal. The main options in income tax portal consists of home, individual or HUF, company, non-company, tax professionals and others, downloads, help. These are the main options in the new income tax e-filing portal. We'll see all these main options in detail after logging into income tax e-filing portal. Important features of new income tax portal: our services, our success enablers, new and e-campaigns, things to know, taxpayer voices, our committed taxpayers. So these are the important features in the new income tax portal, which we will be discussing in detail further. Our services. In the new income tax portal, our services is the main important option which has major features that covers all the aspects of new income tax e-filing portal. Now let us see what are the services are. E-Verify, Link Aadhaar status, E-Pay tax, ITR returns, Verify your PAN, no tax details, tax information services, authenticate order notice by ITD, know your AO, instant ePAN, TDS on cash withdrawal, verify service request. So these are the services which are provided in the new income tax e-filing portal. We'll see in detail after logging into the website. Advantages of new income tax portal. Now let us see what are the advantages of this new income tax e-filing portal. Taxpayer friendly. This new income tax makes the taxpayer easy to understand and file his or her returns. Pre-filled data. Most of the data will be pre-filled data which is pulled from the old income tax portal, such as basic details, salary income, bank details, tax payment details, dividend income, TDS details, interest from banks, post office, etc. Investments such as shares and mutual funds. Fast processing of returns. The process of returns are very fast in this new income tax portal. Refund policy. Refund will be processed within 2 to 3 days after filing the returns. Grievances. Grievances and pending will be processed immediately. Call centers. Call centers are available for call and chat to clarify doubts and queries. Mobile app. New app will be launched very soon. Tax payment. Tax payments can be made through this new income tax portal. Notifications, intimations and refund issues. So friends, these are the advantages of this new income tax e-filing portal. Now let us open new income tax e-filing portal, then check the main features and options and also the benefits of this new income tax portal. First, open Google search engine, then type income tax login, where you can see incometax.gov.in. This is the new income tax portal. Click here. After clicking, it is directed to new income tax e-filing portal, which is e-filing 2.0. As we have seen, here we can see call us option, where we can call to the customer care and ask for queries, where it has all the toll-free numbers. Then comes login, where we can log into our income tax portal. And if you don't have a login, then you can click on register and you can register your account with your PAN number. Then comes home. Home is an option where you will be directed to home screen. Then comes individual HUF. Individual HUF consists of salaried employees, businessman, senior, super senior citizen, non-resident, Hindu, undivided family HUF. Now let us see one by one. Salaried employees. Guidance to file income tax returns, wherein you will be guided how to file the income tax returns. Returns and forms applicable to me. Returns and forms will be guided for you how to download and how to file the returns. Tax slabs. It will be consisting of all the tax slab for the salaried employees. Deductions on which I can get tax benefit. Update my profile details. Assisted filing. Downloads. So these are the options available in salaried employees. Then comes business or profession. In business or profession, you can find guidance to file tax returns, return forms applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my profile details, assisted filing, downloads. Then comes senior or super senior citizen. It consists of guidance to tax file returns, returns forms applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my profile details, assisted filing, and downloads. Then comes non-resident. Non-resident also consists of saying guidance to e-file returns, returns are form applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my profile details, assisted filing, downloads. Then finally comes HUF, that is nothing but Hindu undivided family. It also consists of saying guidance to file tax return, return or form applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my details, assisted filing, and downloads. So these are the options available in individual or HUF. Then comes company. Company consists of two options, that is domestic company and foreign company. In domestic company, it consists of guidance to file tax returns, returns or forms applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my profile details, downloads. In the same way, in the foreign company, it consists of guidance to file tax returns, returns forms applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my profile details, downloads. Then comes non-company. Non-company consists of AOP, BOI, trust, AGP. Then firm or LLP, then local authority. Even all these options consist of guidance to fill tax returns, returns of forms applicable to me, tax slabs, deductions on which I can get tax benefit, update my profile details, downloads. So even all these problems consist of these same options. Then comes tax professionals and centers. Here, chartered accountant, which consists of registration and services available for chartered accountants. Then comes external agency. Even external agency consists of registration and then services applicable. Finally, the tax deductor or collector, wherein registration can be done and services available. Then comes download option, where you can download file returns and DSC management utility. Finally, help, where you can check for help from income tax support. Now if you drop down, you can see the other options or the features, where it consists of our services, our success enablers, new and e-campaigns, things to know, taxpayer voices, our committed taxpayers. Now let us see one by one features, starting with our services. In our service, it consists of e-verify, where you can read that verify your income tax returns without logging in. With this option, you can verify your income tax returns without logging into the income tax portal. Then comes link Aadhaar. Link Aadhaar with PAN to e-file returns. Here this option helps you to link your Aadhaar with the PAN card for e-filing your returns. Then comes link Aadhaar status. This option helps you to know the status of your Aadhaar, which is linked to the income tax portal. Then comes e-pay tax. With this option, you can pay the tax online. The next option is income tax ITR status. With this option, you can track and check the status of your ITR, which is nothing but income tax returns. Verify your PAN. With this option, you can verify your PAN card. Then comes know TAN details. With this option, you can know your details of the TAN, tax information services. By clicking this option, you can know the information and services about tax. Then comes authenticate order notice by ITD. Know your AO. To know your AO, you can click here and search for your respective AO. Instant ePAN. By clicking this option, instantly you can generate your ePAN. TDS on cash. With this option, TDS on cash can be withdrawn. Finally comes the verify service request. With this, we can verify the services requested. Then comes the next feature, that is our success enablers. Here it shows the success enablers, which are nothing but individual registered users and e-verified ITR for the assessment year 2021. So it gives the details about the registers and the e-verified details. The next feature is news and e-campaigns. Here it gives information about the income tax, and also the e-campaigns are displayed to know and update every individual related to income tax. Then comes things to know. Things to know consists of few videos wherein you can just watch the videos and understand and get awareness of how to link Aadhaar, work list for CS, change password, e-proceedings, etc. So these are the some features which one should know. Then comes taxpayer voices, wherein comments are displayed over here, which consist of voices of taxpayers in India. Then finally comes our committed taxpayers. Income tax express gratitude towards the committed taxpayer. The income tax department has started a unique appreciation initiative, wherein this gives certifications to the committed taxpayers. 6148 members has won the platinum certificate, 15827 has won the gold certificate, 2,40,198 members won the silver certificate, and 32,08,355 won the bronze certificate. So these are the in detail or a small tour to our new income tax e-filing web portal. Hope you might have understood in brief about the income tax portal. Now let us log into our new income tax portal and see what are the different features are. After clicking on login, you are directed to login page, wherein you need to enter the login, which is nothing but the PAN number. After entering the PAN number, continue button will be highlighted. Then you need to click on continue. Then you will be asking for a confirmation to secure access message. Then opt for this selection. Then enter the password. Then click on continue. Now after entering the login ID and password, you have successfully entered into new income tax e-filing portal. Here it shows welcome to e-filing portal, company name or individual name. Once you drop down, you can see two options. You can avail following services. So these are the services which we can be availed, as we have already filled the details. Update profile to avail following services. But to avail these services, we need to update our profile. To update our profile, we need to click on update profile. After clicking on the update profile, you will be directed to personal details, where it consists of company details or name of the person or company. Change password. By clicking this, we can change the password. Then it shows my bank account, wherein clicking this we can change the bank account details. Register DSC. To register our DSC, we can click here and proceed further to register our details. Then comes e-filing vault higher security, secure access message, justification details, source of income, key person details, shareholder information, either as signatory for income tax returns or forms, representative assessee. So these are the options which are available in personal details, wherein we can change, update or upgrade. Then it consists of profile, wherein it gives the details about the name, date of incarceration, date of birth, PAN number and status. Status, it is active. Then comes contact. It consists of contact number, primary and secondary, then email ID, primary and secondary, then the address. So this is the information which is provided in personal details. And if we click on dashboard, you will be directed to home page. Here we can see the company details, PAN number, mobile number, mail ID. And if you want to update the contact details, you can click on update and update your contact details. Your account is not secure with e-vault. So if you want to make it secure, you can click on secure account and make your account secure. Here it shows total outstanding demand is nil, so which means there is no outstanding. While coming to the other part of the page, file your returns ending 31st March 2021. If you want to file your returns, you can click here file now and proceed further and file the returns. I'll be showing you in detail how to file your income tax returns in the upcoming videos. Then comes tax deposit. It shows your previous tax deposits with respect to financial years. Then comes recent filed returns. there is no recently filed returns, so it is showing as no records found. Then comes pending actions. As there is no pending actions, it shows as no records found. Then comes recent forms filed. So these are the recent forms which are filed: Form 15CA, Form 15CB, Form 3CA and 3CD. Then finally comes grievances. No records found. As there is no grievances, it shows as no records found. So friends, this is in detail about the new income tax e-filing portal. If you want to know more options or more details about the income tax e-filing new portal, then please do comment in the comment section. I'll be making another video in detail so that it will be easy for you to understand the new income tax web portal easily. So dear friends, hope you understood how the new income tax portal look like and what are the main options in the new income tax web portal along with the main features of the income tax portal. Hope you also understood the benefits of new income tax web portal when compared to the old income tax web portal. And if you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.